Opo, yes, Mr.
And
Chairman.
may we know, Mr. Chair, what is the status of this case pending before the DOJ?
Ngayon po, nasa case build-up stage siya. Pero ano po ito, no? Open and shut case ito dahil yung ibang involved dito na akusado ay actually na-convict. So they will just be using the same set of evidence. Pero this time, it will include ito na mga ibang mga personalities na hindi nasama dun sa unang kaso, Mr. Chairman.
And aside from
Mr.
Congressman...
Chair, may I interrupt? If this is an open and shut case, why is there a build-up until now?
Dahil
Nagmamakawa ako sa Diyos na i-file na. Dispense with the investigation, file the case in court.
darating po tayo dyan, Mr. Chairman.
Hindi
Pero ito po, no, buti nga yung anak niya na drug lord at saka yung ano niya, son-in-law
That
ay...
would be, I take exception to that statement, Mr. Chair.
Please,
It is not fair and
it's my opinion.
mischievous.
It's my
statement.
opinion. Ikaw nga, pinapapatay mo yung mga suspected.
session suspended.
Wala ka na. Ano?
Sani. Pinapagalit Sani. Huwag kang mag-arte rito ng ganyan. You do not provide